Hi, it's Susan Krukiel again, part of the Read Aloud program. I have my Nemours lanyard on today, and I'm with Scout again, and we're continuing on with the Pete the Cat series. So Scout, do you remember where we left off? Let's just put that right there. We are on Pete the Cat's Groovy Bake Sale. Pete the Cat is excited about his school bake sale. Pete wants to bake a treat. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets. So do I. And I think Scout's enjoying my bookmark right now, tearing it up. Pete loves cookies. Pete loves pies. Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. Pete's my kind of guy. Scout, those would probably look good for you too, but you can't eat those, can you? I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out the eggs, flour, sugar, and of course, my favorite too, chocolate chips. He puts everything in a bowl. He stirs and stirs. Pete makes a big mess. You can kind of see the mess down there. Baking does get messy though. He rolls the dough into balls, and his mom helps him put them into the oven. Scott, I'm gonna have to get a new bookmark because you've eaten mine, haven't you? They wait for the cookies to bake. They'll smell so yummy. Then things smell less yummy. Some of the cookies have burned. You can kind of see it, the little black burn marks on the cookies. Pete has to start all over, Scout. What else should he make? So you can tell he's thinking. There's a bubble over his head with a big question mark, which means he's thinking. He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turn into ice cream soup. Very messy. That happens sometimes when it's hot outside. He tries to make pudding pie, but runs out of crust. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. I wonder what he's gonna do. You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. He has some berries. Look, it looks like he has some red strawberries, vanilla pudding. This must be his vanilla pudding. I see vanilla pudding mix, and a few cookie pieces. Those must be the cookie pieces that didn't burn. I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries to the pudding and stirs. That's a great idea, Pete. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. Ooh, it looks nice and colorful. Pete puts the tray in the fridge. The next morning, it is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. Looks good. We may have to try this sometime, Scout. His mom helps him scoop his treats onto little cups. He brings them to school. Pete puts his berry cups on the bake sale table. Let's see how popular these cookies, these little treats are. What is that? Asks Callie. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon all the treats are gone. They're such a big hit, they're all gone. We may have to try this sometime. But Pete saves one. He gives it to his mom. Thank you for your help, Mom. The end.